Let's step through this calculator built for manufacturers looking for screw driving automation. This calculator evaluates the ROI for automating a complex machine cell. The inputs are going to be in blue. Let's start with a budget to invest in $1.5 million in automation. You can input any amount you'd like there. Column C is for you to add your current operations details, which could either be manual or automated. Then column F will show you results like ROI and OEE after making an investment in Weber's screw driving automation. So first, let's say you are currently running 3 shifts and the number of machinists you have per shift is 3 as well. Number of technicians you have per shift is 1. Your production speed is 5,000 units an hour. Your widget's value is 50 cents. The material cost of each widget you manufacture is 20 cents. The all-in hourly operator cost, so how much you're paying for an operator with benefits, let's say that is $40. The all-in cost of a technician, that is $60. We see that the OEE for companies that do not do automated processes can range anywhere from 40 to 70%. If you know your OEE, you can put that in here. If you don't know, let's drop in 50% OEE. Now, after investment, let's say your goal is to get down to 2 shifts. We have an improvement here of 50%. So we require half of the number of machinists and technicians per shift than the current solution. Your production speed has increased by about 25% with less labor required. So now here are the stats after the investment, and your OEE has gone up from 50%. With automated processes, we can reach anywhere from 85 to 99% OEE. For this example, let's put it conservatively 85%. So now you see it calculates your maximum daily output of pieces. You're currently having a maximum daily output of 120,000 pieces, but your reduced equipment efficiency is only allowing you to produce 60,000. And after investment, your maximum is 100,000 with fewer shifts, and your equipment is more efficient. So factoring in the OEE percentage, you are producing 85,000 pieces daily. Then, other important calculations show your annual revenue, your material cost, your annual labor costs and saving by switching to a Weber automated screw driving solution. Finally, we show your improvement in contribution margin here, and showing your ROI over 2 years of over 250%, and in 1 year, about 80%. This calculator was built to help you understand how Weber's automation can impact your current assembly process.